This is by AboveTEK. It's a really nice quality tablet and phone stand holder. And as you can see, it is made extremely well. It actually has a 15-inch aluminum long arm that offers convenient viewing experience. It's highly flexible and has a 360-degree base holder, which is absolutely great for whenever you just want to rotate your screen or if you're filming a video or taking photos. It even includes Allen key adjusts for the tightness of the arm folding rotation, so you can adjust it for your comfort. And it's great because it holds phones and tablets between 4 to 11 inches. And it even has a wire hole for easy charging with this nice rubber back padding on the bracket holder, so it provides strong protection and a great grip. And it raises up to 1.3 feet in height. So I absolutely love having my iPad on here. It's really easy to put on. You just simply go like this and you are ready to rock. You can even have a wireless keyboard down here if you so choose. And it also comes with a camera holder stand as well. If you're interested in buying this amazing product, you can check out the link below and you can go ahead and purchase it. This thing is very heavy and sturdy, so your tablet is not going to fall over or get damaged. So don't forget to check out the link below and buy it.